Okay, hello guys. You are a member of TAG or you are about to join TAG. This is part of the question you ask. How do I upgrade my account? Maybe you started with a smaller account and you decide to upgrade. So this video teaches you exactly how to upgrade. So I'm already on this. This particular account is on level 1, T1. So I want to upgrade it to T2. Just watch how it's going to happen. So I'm here already on the home page. I'm going to click on Become a VIP. So having clicked on that, I click, remember like I said, it's already on T1. So now I want to upgrade it to this T2. Now T2 is 36,000 naira. When you want to do this upgrade, make sure you have already up to that amount. Yes, you might say, is it not going to be additional thing I'm going to add? Don't worry. Once you do the right thing, the system balances you back the balance. But make sure you have that 36,000 naira. You cannot say, after I put in 15,000, let me add. No. Put the right thing there. Now just watch. I click on this, and this one now will now be giving me daily 1,200 and all that, referral commission and so many of those things. So what I'm going to do, I click on I want to join. Upgrade the system, so upgrade to T2, and the cost is 36,000 naira. Click on pay. Congratulations, promoted to T2 and receive bonus of 36. Because there's a current bonus going on. I click on OK. So automatically this account has been upgraded to that T2. Now let's watch. Do you know, maybe you may not have noticed something. Even though it cost 36,000 a day, I know how much I have here now. That money I use in opening 15,000 have been reversed back. So automatically what the system even caught is the difference between 15 and 36. That's what the system caught. Because what I have here before was just 31,000 plus. So the system just caught 21,000. Or 41,000 plus, it caught 21,000. That's why you are seeing all of this. I have 41,000 plus here before. So look at it. My balance is still here, 20K. And I'm now on level 2. I'm a level 2 member for this account. So this is exactly very simple way to go about it. And there's a benefit of upgrading. You may not know that. That's why we upgrade. If you're at the lower level and somebody you bring in is at the higher level, there are some benefits from that referral you cannot get because it's higher than you. So the more you are making money here, ensure you upgrade your account so that anybody coming under you get everything you need to get. I stop at this point. If you want to join TAG, click on the link on that description part of the video. You can as well chat me up for my number there. Let's talk business. I wish to stop here. Thanks for watching.